Do websites need your consent to collect personal data? Imagine browsing your favorite website and suddenly seeing a pop-up asking for permission to track your activity. Have you ever wondered if they really need your okay to gather your information? Well, the answer depends on where you are and what kind of data they want. In many parts of the world, laws say websites must tell you what they are collecting and ask for your permission first. This is especially true when it comes to sensitive information like health details, financial data, or your location. For example, in the European Union, there is a law called the General Data Protection Regulation. It requires websites to get clear, voluntary, and specific consent before collecting any personal data. That means you must be told exactly what they want to collect, why, and agree freely without feeling pressured. They cannot bundle this consent with other terms or make it a condition for using the site. In the United States, rules are different and vary by state. Usually, websites need to give you a privacy notice explaining what data they collect and how they use it. For sensitive data like health or financial information, they must get your explicit consent. For example, if a website wants to track your location or collect biometric data, they need your permission first. If they are collecting data from children under the age of 13, they must get verifiable parental consent. Some states like California also give you the right to limit how your data is sold or shared. Even if they do not need your explicit consent, websites are still required to be transparent. They must have privacy policies that clearly explain what they do with your data. These policies should be easy to find and understand. You have the right to access your data, correct mistakes, or ask them to delete your information. Knowing your rights means you should always look for privacy policies on websites you visit. Read what they say about data collection and use. Remember, you usually have the power to give or withhold consent, especially for sensitive information. You can often opt out of targeted ads or sharing your data with third parties. Companies are also required to protect your data and notify you if there is a security breach. Laws about digital privacy are different depending on where you live and where the website operates. So your rights might change based on your location. Being aware of these rules helps you stay in control of your personal information. It also helps you make smarter choices about what data you share online. In short, most websites do need your consent to collect personal data, especially sensitive types. But they also have to tell you clearly what they are doing and give you options to control your information. Knowing these facts helps you protect your digital privacy and personal freedoms every time you go online.